So, consider that you're given the list which is already given, like 2, 3, 4, 3. So, this is, we follow zero based indexing. So, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the positions. This is C1, this is C2, this is C3, this is C4. According to the question, the C1, like if this is the value of I, these are the values of I. So, if I equal to 0, this will be like if this this is say array A. So the AI will be the number of zeros present. Number of zeros present. Okay, and if I is equal to odd, which is C2, C4, C6, C8 and so on and so forth, that would be equal to even. And if it's odd, then that will be AI equal to number of ones present. All that we have to do is maximize the number of 0, 1 subsequence. Now, subsequence is ordered, which means that if the array is say 2, 3, 4, 6, the subsequences that can be are 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 6, then 3, 4, 6, 3, 6. Basically, any number of numbers we can pick up, except that they have to be in the exact same order. For example, 3, 4 will be a valid subsequence of this, but 4, 3 won't be because the ordering matters. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So, 0, 1 means that only in that particular order, that means that the 1 has to come after 0. So, to maximize the number of 0, 1 subsequences, all that we have to do is basically make sure that the maximum number of 1s are present after the maximum number of zeros. If you just pick the numbers up in different arrays, like for the 0, for I equal to even, we just pick up these elements and put them in an array. Say I name the array as 0. So 0 for this one would be C1 and C2, C1 and C3. And for I equal to odd, we put them in another array which is 1 equal to C2, C4. C1, C3 is actually 2, 4. And C3, these are actually the same values, so it won't matter. Let me change the value. If I put this as like 6, okay? Actually, let me put this as 6 and this as 3. So this will be 6, 3. So now the ordering is such, like currently the string is such that it's like 0, 0, then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, then 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1, 1, 1. To maximize that, we only have to bring the maximum number of 1s towards the end of the list and the maximum number of zeros towards the beginning of the list. And the way that this will happen is because consider that you have n1 zeros. Okay? So, and n2 1s. So, these are the number of zeros and these are 1s, like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Doesn't matter how many. N1, N2. So, we pick 1 0 from here, which is N1, C1. And means multiplication. Every time there is an and, it will be a multiplication. And if there is an or, that would be a summation. So, I pick 1 0 from here, which is N1, C1, and 1 1 from here, any 1 1. So, that is N2, C1, which is basically N1 into N2. Consider that we also have, say, N3 number of 1s. So, now the total number of 0, 1 subsequence, if they are present in this specific order, would be N1 C1 into N2 C1 or N1 C1 into N3 C1. Because I can pair all the zeros of this with either any, like pair any 1 0 of this with either any 1 1 of this or any 1 1 of this. Okay? So once we have our arrays which contain the number of zeros and ones at their respective positions, we can only swap between the elements of zeros and the elements of ones. We cannot swap like say 2 or 6. We can only swap 2 and 4 if we want. So we just simply, this is the array for 0 which contains C1 comma C3, and this is the array for 1 which contains C2 comma C4. We sort this, the array of zeros, in descending order. Okay? And 0 dot sort reverse equal to true. Okay? And simply 1 dot sort. And then all that we have to do is pair the first element of this, like 2 comma 4 and 6 comma 3, which will now change to 4 comma 2 and 3 comma 6. So the resulting array, answer array, would be, we pair 4 with the 3, which will be after 4 there is 3, then we'll place a 2, then we'll place 6. This will be the answer. This will be the answer array. And to find the total number, that would be 4 into 3 plus 4 into 6 plus 2 into 6, which is 6, 7, 8, 9, 36, 6 2 is 12, 6, 7, 8, which is 48. So this is the answer. Hey, this is Sans Theta, and I make videos about quite a lot of things actually, but not a lot of those make to this channel. But hopefully someday they will. And if you are someone who is interested in technology, science, and basically learning stuff, do subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I will see you guys hopefully sooner than next week. So yeah, bye.